Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic for all of you. We are going to discuss latest syllabus with new updates for September DCA 2021. So first of all, advanced coding. So there are few changes for advanced coding section this time. Last time for April DCA 2021, there were only 14 languages that were available as option to code your program. But this time there are much more than that. And not only coding languages, but also few other technologies are available this time, like automation testing and HPUFT, automation testing and Selenium, big data, HDFS, Hive, Spark, Scoop, and C language 4.9.2 version, C hash 8 version, C++ 4.9.2 version, Clojure 1.10.0 version, data warehousing and informatics, data warehousing and Tableau, DevOps, Erlang, front-end apps with Angular, front-end apps with React, Go 1.11.5 version, Haskell 8.0.2 version, Java 1.8.0 underscore 161, and now Kotlin 1.3.21, mainframes, Node 10.5 version, Oracle PL SQL, Perl 5.6.2, Python 3.3.0 version, Ruby 2.5.3 version, SAP ABAP, Scala, and Windows 10 and Linux administration. So this time they have gave you broader scope to choose your technology or language of your own choice. And further, if we talk about other section, there will be numerical ability section, and this time they have not updated anything in this section, and even they have not mentioned any detailed syllabus of numerical ability section. So we can assume that the syllabus for this time will be same as the last time. And for that, you can watch my last video of syllabus for numerical ability section, and link for that will be provided to you in description. And there will be verbal ability section. There is also no change in this section, and there will be reasoning section also. So there will be 4 sections: numerical ability section, verbal ability section, reasoning section, and advanced coding section. And this time there is update only in coding section. And one more thing I want to make clear to you, that there are various type of rumors that coding section is extremely important and verbal ability is extremely important and reasoning is not that important, and selection is on the basis of numerical ability section also. But there is nothing such things. TCS has clearly officially mentioned that they will consider all sections equally important, and the selection will be on the basis of average of all sections. So you have to perform well in all the sections if you want to qualify this assessment. However, verbal ability section and reasoning ability section are comparatively easier as per previous assessments, but you cannot expect the same this time also. Maybe verbal ability is more tougher, or numerical ability maybe easier. So anything can happen, but you have to be ready for all the sections of any difficulty level. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel IT India.